Hello world, it's me Esther, welcome back to Shutitesther. So I did a wash and go and my hair was like 75% dry. If you want to see how I did this look, watch it.
What do she do? I do everything, I move everything.
Happy New Year guys. Okay, so these are the products that I am using. I got Eco Styler Gel, I have Argan Oil Leave-In Conditioner, and I have this Jane Carter butter, and I've also got water in the same bottle as my leave-in conditioner. It's called Saving the Planet. So I'm just spraying my hair with water. I didn't tell you guys this before, but my hair is hella dirty. Okay, I straightened it to go to Nigeria, and this is like 5 days of straightened hair in a hot country. So yeah, I just sprayed it with water, trying to drench it as much as I can. Normally I do wash and goes in the shower, but we didn't have a lot of time, so I had to do my hair on the steps. So I'm using the leave-in conditioner by Creme of Nature. I used to use it all the time when I was relaxed, and I really like that leave-in conditioner. It's actually really lit. Please excuse my crying face, but my hair was super tangled. I haven't combed it because it was straight in a while. It's been in the bun, so yeah. You've got a finger detangle and just make sure your hair is super detangled. My sister's in the background, as you guys can see, because we both had to do our hair. She ended up going in a fro and I had a wash and go, so yeah. Now I've put the butter on my hair, the Jane Carter butter, which we found in Nigeria. It works wonders. It's so good. I recommend it to everybody. And now I am putting the Argan Oil Eco Styler Gel. It is so good for my hair. It makes my hair so shiny. My sister Alex bought a big tub, and I don't know why she did that because we don't really put gel on our hair that much, but she did that, so it is what it is. In between every product, I make sure I spray water, and I'm going to show, I've showed you guys the back already. I'm going to show you guys the front in a couple more clips, and how I did the front for each product. The back of my hair is very loose compared to the front of my hair. So now, as you can see, I'm just trying to make the back do what the front do, but it's not cooperating. So I end up using the Denim brush just to bring out the curls. And you'll see, as you saw in the beginning of the video, and you will see in the end of the video, the curls do end up forming and looking like everything else. Yeah. Tell me if you have that problem as well. Please comment down below and let me know if you have that issue with the back of your hair or any part of your hair. Also, naturalistas out there, why is our hair different in every section? Like the back is completely different to the front is completely different to the back. Like one side's coarser than the other, one side's longer than the other. What is up with that? Can someone comment down below and let me know what is up with that? Anyway, so I finished the back basically, and I'm just trying to shingle it out so the curls can form, and as you can see, they're forming compared to how they were before. And this is the front. I got so fed up, so I had to get my sister to spray the water on my hair. I literally wanted to pour the bottle on my head because it was just taking too long. I have no patience for this. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and just keep watching for how I make the front look, you know. This is such a cute hairstyle. I'm so glad that I decided to do this, and I'm happy that the products didn't go badly with each other, like they went well. I'm proud of myself because I think this is probably my best wash and go yet. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and thank you for watching, and I hope you have a blessed new year.
It's hot, bro. I'm hot as hell. Alright, be back in a couple hours when we're going to Burger Boy. Burger Boy comes out. Got my jewelry, you know, on deck, baby. You know what I'm saying? Oh, rolly. My hair is looking cute. Got this top that says, "Is Mercury still in retrograde?" I need to blame some stuff on it. And that's from Boohoo. The skirt is from Primark. And this bum bag is from DKNY. I got it from the outlet store in Florida when I went to Florida this year. And I am wearing white Converses. I need to do my laces. But yeah, I think I'm ready for this concert. I think it's about to be lit. And we're in Nigeria and a Spanish voice, so you know, I might put a couple clips in right now. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope to see you in the next one. I know it's been a while, but I'll see you in the next one for sure.